Hey there, friends, and welcome to my channel where we talk about all things Kajabi, marketing, and growing your online business. I'm Rebecca Often, Kajabi mentor and conversion coach, and this video is for you if you're a current or aspiring online coach. Whether you're a one-on-one coach, lead group sessions, or run a thriving community, this is the perfect time to leverage business and social trends driven by factors such as increased internet accessibility, the convenience of virtual learning, and a growing emphasis on personal and professional development. I'm going to share with you the top tools every online coaching business needs, marketing trends, and how to best leverage these for building and growing your coaching business in 2025 and in the coming years. But first, let's talk numbers for just a moment. Did you know that the global online coaching industry is projected to grow to over 11 billion by 2032? As more people turn to online learning and virtual coaching, they're seeking trusted experts like you to help them grow, achieve goals, and make meaningful changes. So whether you're offering business coaching, fitness programs, life guidance, or something niche, the demand is only increasing. But to stand out, you need more than just great coaching. You need the right tools to manage, deliver, and scale your business. To succeed as an online coach, you need a system that streamlines your operations and helps you deliver exceptional value to your clients. Here are the must-have tools every online coach needs. And I say this from personal experience because I've been in the coaching industry for a decade, and I can tell you that I've done it the right way and I've done it the wrong way. And here are the top tools that you definitely don't want to overlook. Number one is a professional website, sales funnels, and lead generation funnels. So first, you need a professional website. This is where potential clients learn about you, see your offers, and ultimately decide whether to work with you. Your website should make it easy to book sessions, purchase programs, and engage with your content. Second is payment processing and analytics. Next, you need a way to accept payments securely and track your revenue and your client engagement with analytics, and that will help you refine your sales and marketing strategies. Third is seamless coaching onboarding. Once you've attracted a client, the next step is seamless onboarding. You need a way to collect their information, provide resources, and set expectations all in one place. Fourth is email marketing for client engagement. Staying connected with your audience is crucial. Email marketing allows you to nurture your leads, keep your current clients engaged, and upsell additional programs. A solid email marketing system is non-negotiable. Fifth are tools for delivering your content. So last but not least is whether you're running one-on-one sessions, group coaching, or managing a community, you need a platform to deliver your content, host your coaching sessions, offer session tracking, and provide resources in an organized way. So how do you put all of that together? Let me introduce you to the ultimate all-in-one solution for online coaches, and that is Kajabi. Kajabi is designed to handle every aspect of your coaching business so you can focus on what you do best, and that is coaching. As a founding member of Kajabi, I've been using Kajabi for a long time, and I've seen some amazing changes, especially in the coaching area, on what you can do inside Kajabi. So I'm excited to share that with you here. Unlike most coaching solutions, Kajabi is designed to facilitate a wide array of knowledge commerce solutions. It's allowing you to create a coaching program that truly resonates your vision for helping your clients in a way that also resonates with them and helps them achieve their desired outcomes. Want to do one-on-one coaching? No problem. Kajabi offers a simple solution for tracking sessions, delivering resources, easy scheduling, and even conduct your video conferencing right inside the program. So here's an example of one-on-one coaching inside Kajabi. Let me share my screen real quick with you, and we'll go over this just a little bit. So this is inside my coaching program. Some of this is blurred out for protecting names and information. But essentially, when you first log in, you'll notice over here on the side on products, you'll have to set up your coaching programs. And there's a separate tutorial that walks you through how to set up your coaching. But you'll notice that inside Kajabi, there's different types of programs and products that you can do, including courses, your coaching, community, podcast newsletters, and downloads. So this allows you to have a very, as I said, robust coaching experience. So you can combine different products together to deliver the information in a way that best fits your audience. Inside the coaching program, the one-on-one coaching is essentially set up in a way that if we go under programs, I have several different ones here. And actually, just let me take a step back before I go into that. On this main dashboard, when you first log in, this helps you with managing your coaching as well. So not only from a client experience is it better, it also is so much easier. So before Kajabi came out with their coaching product, I was doing coaching using Kajabi for all of the other services that they did, the courses, the website, the sales funnels, the email marketing, all of those kind of things. But they hadn't come out with coaching until a couple of years ago. So prior to that, to track who my clients were, what sessions they were on, who was getting behind in their program, I was having to use a bunch of different tools, and it was kind of clunky, and it wasn't very easy for me to be able to see all of that in one place. And now you can easily see on the dashboard, these are the upcoming sessions that have been scheduled. So as soon as someone schedules a session inside Kajabi, it'll immediately show on your dashboard. You can also go under past and pending, and you can show inactive. So you can click this box and it'll show you inactive. It'll show you how many active clients that you currently have on your coaching programs that have open sessions left. It'll show you how many completed sessions you've done, and then also your gross revenue. Under the Programs tab, these are all the products that you have set up as coaching. Now, what's really nice inside Kajabi is that you can do one-on-one coaching, you can do group coaching, and divide them into the two different styles. So, for example, in one-on-one coaching, if I just go into this one as our Path to Profit mapping session, there's a package. You can immediately see what clients are currently active. Since this is a one-session package, there's not very many listed there. That's just outstanding because we usually schedule these and get them done right away. But essentially, you can then look at the package outline and see here, this is what it is. It's just a single session. And if you need to edit this, you can go in here. Instead of calling it a session, we can actually edit the details. And maybe you don't want to call it a session. Maybe you're using this for tracking something else. You can actually go in and adjust this, add your agenda items. If you do the same agenda for every client, for every session 1, session 2, if it's more flexible, then you can just leave this blank. If there's resources that you know you're going to share under every single session 1, you can definitely add that here as well. But then you have the option of doing the same thing inside the package outline as well. So under the client, you can go under the outstanding client, you can click on it, and then you can see, then you can type in a description. So this is something then that they will see. You can upload your video. So if you do the video through Zoom or Google Meet or some other software and you have a recorded file, you can upload that recording here. If you are going live right inside Kajabi, Kajabi does have the option to go live right inside Kajabi. So you don't even have to use something external. You can just send your clients right inside their portal and go live right there with you. And then you can have it set where it automatically uploads that replay right after the session. So from a time saving standpoint, that's phenomenal. So you don't even have to send it to your VA or do it yourself after a session. I know with Zoom, when I was doing it through Zoom, sometimes you'd have to wait for the session to render and then upload. Find that time in your schedule because in the meantime, you've moved on to another project and then going back and just making sure that you don't forget to upload those. If you use the Kajabi's internal go live and have the settings set to automatically upload at the end, it'll automatically put it in here for you. Then you can mark it as complete once it has been finished, and then it'll show completed to your client. Inside the notes section, there's a shared notes section. and private notes. So you can actually have this open while you're in the session with your client and type in notes, or after the session, immediately afterwards, you could type in some notes that are just private notes that you want to refer back to between sessions if need be. And then we have our resources section, where this is then where you can add upload files or add hyperlinks. So hyperlinks are fantastic because it can be a hyperlink to an extra loan video, or if you're doing a Google Drive or a Dropbox file that you want to send them to, or you can just upload a video file, a PDF, any number of different styles of files that you can upload here. So it gives you a lot of flexibility inside the coaching product to be able to manage. Now, you'll also notice up here, you can manually schedule a session. So you could go in here and schedule this. If you have it set up in your settings where then your calendar is connected, you can actually integrate your calendar. So if we go into our settings, you can actually integrate things. So this is where you can set your availability. You can have a buffer, kind of similar to what Calendly does or a lot of your other calendar scheduling. So you can use Kajabi's internal scheduling system, so you don't even need an external scheduling system. And then you integrate it with your calendar, whatever kind of calendar that is. So even if you already have a Calendly account, which we did before, because that's what we used prior to Kajabi coming out with all these features, you can actually then connect it to your Calendly and then have that all seamlessly integrate so that they can just click on schedule, goes right into your calendar schedule, and you're good to go. So then it immediately puts it into your dashboard on what schedule is coming up, and it'll show on their calendar, where then it'll show up on their calendar for reminders and whatever reminders you set up to go to them to remind them about the meeting. So those are just a real quick features of the one-on-one coaching. So that'll give you a bit of an overview. So with group coaching, Kajabi also has you covered. Now, what if you are wanting to do more than just a live group session? Say you're doing group coaching, but you want it to be a little bit more robust than you're just going live and giving them resources. And the cool thing is Kajabi does that as well. So you can have what's called cohorts. So cohorts essentially is where you have a course, and then that course is open to just a certain group of people for a certain period of time. And there's also then the Kajabi community that can be turned into a group coaching type of environment, depending on how you set it up, how you manage it, and what you do with the Kajabi community. We're going to talk about that in another video, but essentially just knowing that inside Kajabi, there's so many different coaching options and opportunities for you, the way that they have their coaching set up. So in communities, you can actually go live and have meetups, or you can upload resources and then have access groups, and you can have circles. So I'm going to go deeper in that in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, just wanted to let you know about the amazing flexibility of Kajabi. You can do one-on-one coaching. You can do group coaching through the group coaching aspect in Kajabi, or you can do group coaching through cohorts or the Kajabi community product. And with the ability to offer courses, newsletters, podcasts, downloads, all these other products as well, your clients have the best possible experience all in one place, which is your resource library. No more juggling a handful of different solutions like Slack or Trello for client communications, Facebook for your community, or even tediously tracking sessions through spreadsheets or checklists like I did in the beginning. If you're currently using Kajabi and are interested in learning more about how you can leverage all the features inside for your coaching business, let's connect. And if you don't already have Kajabi, I invite you to try it for yourself. As an affiliate partner, I have the opportunity of sharing with you special extended trial periods or exclusive discounts only found through Kajabi partners. Plus, I offer some personal bonuses to help you get your coaching business up and running on Kajabi as quickly as possible. So check out the description below or visit striveforsavvy.com/Kajabi for all the details, because the promotions that Kajabi has going out through partners is changing all the time. And I want to make sure that you're getting the most up-to-date and the best possible promotion that works best for you. All the time, we are able, for the most part, to be able to get you a extended 30-day trial, where normally if you go to Kajabi's website, it's 14 days. And having those extra couple weeks goes a long way towards getting your program up and running so you can monetize quickly, get those first clients in before your first payment is due to Kajabi. That is huge. In our next video, we'll be going deeper into the various group coaching options that I talked about today. So I only showed you briefly one-on-one coaching and a little bit on the group coaching product. So the next video, we'll go deeper into cohorts and community coaching options. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Until then, remember, the key to success is consistent action, yet in balance with keeping your own cup full. Keep growing, keep learning. Bye for now.